family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We have a tag video from my good old sis from LavishlyChiChi. Yes, and we have a fun tag video. So if you're interested in hearing more about this tag video, yeah, just keep watching. So my good old sis Chi tagged me in a video, and it is called Perfumes I Would Steal from Other Perfume Collectors. And I thought that was really neat. And when I was putting my list together, I thought I was just gonna do 5. Because I just knew in my head that I just, stealing, it just wasn't like, I was like, I'm going to do a little Q5. There's not much I would steal. But girl, why that list got bigger? Clearly, she done pressed a button that I never thought about. But I would permanently borrow a lot of y'all fragrances, clearly. So let's get into it. So clearly, I would borrow a couple of you all's collection permanently. Some perfumes. We could borrow them together, maybe. But let's get into it. So my sis Chi, of course, girl, I gotta start off with you, my girl. Okay, you just did that beautiful big haul, and girl, I would have some sticky fingers on that Kirky. Yeah, fruity, candy. Yeah, that's your sis. You. That is exactly me. Fruity, candy, sweet, all the things. That's definitely right up my alley. From MFK Kirky, I would borrow that for a lifetime. Yes, it just sounds so good. It just sounds like it smells so good, and it doesn't sound like it's gonna be like real heavy, like too much, where I can't really like douse myself down with it and really enjoy it. So girl, I would definitely, from your collection and probably some other things, you can still invite me over, but I would definitely grab my hands on that Kirky from MFK. Next up, another good one of my good sis, the AI the Great. Of course, you all know I got to be all up in that collection. Okay, hello. I would be a sticky fingers, or I would grab, or I would look very hard, or I would hold for a long time, respectfully. Temps Blanc from Maison Mataha. Yeah, girl, I'm definitely gonna hold on to that for a good old minute, because it keep being sold out for a reason. And you love it, and you speak very highly of it. So it just seems like something I just have to get my nose on, my hands on, and we can help each other, but it can just stay at my house. And then when you get ready to borrow it, then maybe a decant? No, I'm just playing. But I would definitely want to get my hands and put in my collection Temps Blanc from Maison Mataha. It just sounds amazing with the grapefruit, the orange blossom, and that would be my first Maison Mataha. I can't even say it right, but that would be my first of that fragrance in my collection. So help a sister out. Moving on. Next up, I will be all up in AnneLauren's collection. Girl, Anna, I was still like, I'm not even gonna hold you, girl. That Morn to Dust fragrance, the vanilla fragrance that you talk about all the time, the vanilla and powdery and all the things, even though you say it doesn't last long, which I'm fine with, right? That's why I will borrow it for a lifetime. Yeah, girl. But that fragrance just sounds like a vanilla lover's dream, and I would love to have it in my collection. True fact, I've tried to get my hands on that, right? At a good steal deal. And they raised the price up on me. Yeah, they did. They raised the price up on me. They sure did. They said, clearly somebody's talking about it, and we're going to raise that good old price up. So I haven't been able to get my lovely hands on that and add it to my collection, but I would definitely look at it and contemplate and then ask you to borrow it for a lifetime. Yeah, because it just sounds like a vanilla fragrance, even though I have other vanilla powdery fragrances. But this one, because you're a gourmand girly, we see each other. This just sounds like a good vanilla powdery musk fragrance that I have to get into my collection. And you're the key to that because you have it. Next up, SharidaM. Honey, I think just your entire collection would be a problem for me if I was ever invited in to see it. I think it would just be a problem, period. But the one that really like sparks my interest that I want to know, I want in my collection is Bulgari Baciami. Like, I know other people have this fragrance. I know it's been out here in them streets for quite a while. I know people have talked about it. Zoud, okay? And it is a beautiful gardenia amber vanilla fragrance. I get it, got it good. But good old sis SharidaM has it. Sharida has it. So that's what this tag's about. I would definitely have to steal that from you, sis. Even though your collection is immaculate, right? Like, I can definitely tell. So there will probably be other things that I will be like, oh, Baciami, you hold off, and then I'm going to get this. But what I've been eyeing, and every time you talk about it, and you talk about how beautiful it is, and that people hyped it up, but like, it's truly worth the hype. Yeah, I need that in my life. And you can send it to the address of Did you write that down? Okay, great. I look forward to receiving that. Alexis, TressesOfAlexis, come to the front of the room, my good sis. Okay, Alexis, this is gonna be a little bit different for you, okay? Because what I would steal from you is because I don't want to purchase it myself. Because the opening, I still don't get. You love it, but I still don't get the opening. But that dry down is bomb.com. I can't even lie. Can't even hold you. Compliments galore. It's everything. The dry down is everything. But that opening, I just haven't pushed the button just because that opening is just not pleasant. But girl, I would have to steal your guidance. I'm sorry. I didn't make the tag. Talk to your sis Chi-Chi. I didn't make the tag. But I'm just doing the tag and just telling you the truth. I would have to borrow for a lifetime your guidance. And I know you love it. But I just don't want to purchase my full coins on it. And because you already have it, girl. I know you wouldn't even let me in the building because you love that fragrance, but I just had to say it. I didn't make the rules, but I just had to say it. Guidance would definitely have to be in my collection for the free. Mm-hmm. Next up, Yummy 411. Love you, sis. Love you lots. Girl, and I know you have a problem with this house right now, and you know what I'm about to say, but I just got to say it, you know. Dua, I would have to take your entire Dua collection. There's not one pick. I would just have to take all the ones that you say is boxed up in like storage or wherever you have it. All the boxes, all the storage to do. I would just have to get that. And I would just have to steal all them boxes. No matter how many, if it's 10, I would just have to make it work, get the truck, and just do what we got to do. But I would have to take that off your hands, especially since you know, we ain't even feeling them anyway. So you might not miss it anyway. But I just love to do a brand, and I know your collection of that brand is top tier, bomb. You probably have everything. And why purchase from them anymore? And you don't have to throw them away. You could just send them to your sis. It's win-win. Win-win. You know, think about us all. I would have to steal your Dua collection, sis. With love and sugar on top. Mm-hmm. Next up, she is not a sole fragrance influencer, but she has a lot of fragrances. And she's a fragrance girly. I'm talking about PeytonCharles. Now, we talking about whole collections. Ma'am, hey, girl, I would have to take your the entire House of Bold collection. Mm-hmm. And the good thing is you in with the House of Bold. You in with the creators and everything of the house. And so I know they're going to give you backups. I know they're about to supply you with some more. So if somebody stole your entire House of Bold collection, girl, you'll be okay. They will replace you with the quickness. So, you know, there are those that are in need, and you don't know me, but I would definitely have to take that from you, sis. I would have to take that House of Bold off your hands. The entire. I can't even, the Lamars, the Casablancas, the entire thing. You know, Ana Maria, like Ava Maria, all of it. I would have to take that off your hand for you. Facts. Next up, the beautiful Abby from FromAbiWithLove. Sis, Abby, I would have to get that Fetiche La Rose. Yeah, girl, I would have to steal that because I love Christian Louis Vuitton. I love, like, I would need that. I need that. So I would definitely have to steal that from you. But girl, that bottle. Now, girl, can you find somebody with that bottle? That top is pretty long. So I don't know if you like can also like duo, like smell good and it be a protector. Cause nowadays, girl, y'all know what's going on in the world. Y'all know. Exactly. So smelling good and we might need a weapon. Cause that bottle top is pointy and long. So, but I would love to get my nose, get that in my collection and love on it. And there's been so many people talking about it and compliments, and it just sounds right up my alley. And so, sis, I would just, again, borrow it for a lifetime. I know. Moving on. Next up, Gabby loves perfume. Sis, I don't even know. Like, I was looking to see what I would steal from your collection, and girl, I need about 10 trucks because I feel like it's going to be the entire collection. You have everything. And if you don't, girl, you look like you have everything. I mean, there's so many different ones that you have. So I don't know. I think I would just want to be invited to then steal from your collection. That sounds a little crazy, but I think I would just need to smell some stuff because, again, you have such a large collection. It's such a beautiful collection. I definitely wanted to mention you because I love seeing all your beauties, but I don't know what you want. It just would be all of them. It would simply be all of them. More so all your gourmands, all the chocolate ones you have. You know, just all the things. All the gourmand things. Everything else you can keep. Look at me trying to negotiate with your collection. All the other ones you can keep, but the gourmands of it all, yeah, we would have to pack them. last but certainly not least, I would have to hop and fly on down to Chris's lovely abode, the PerfumeNest. And girl, I would have to get your vanilla powder from Matiere Premier. I would have to get that. And I know a lot of the creators that I name probably have that perfume as well, but I just need to smell it. Oh my goodness, vanilla powder just sounds so amazing. It just sounds so divine, something that I need in my collection. And Chris, I would just have to steal that from you. But you have such a large collection, you might not miss it, but you probably will because you do obsess about it too, the vanilla powder. You know, you like it too, but we can work out a trade deal. Or something like that. But no, definitely sticking to the tag. I would have to steal that from you, sis. Truly, yeah. It just sounds so good. Well, that's all. That's all, family, for the fragrances from creators that I would steal their perfumes or collection. You know, tomato, tomato. What are some perfumes that you might steal for a lifetime, right? Or borrow for a lifetime? Let me know down below. What are your favorite creators and fragrances that you want in your collection? Thank you, Chi Chi, again for tagging me on this fun video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope I did it a little bit justice. But make sure that you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some, grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.